Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by choosing the right microphone for keyboard recording on your laptop. Use a directional condenser or dynamic mic for clearer keyboard capture and lower room noise. Prefer an external USB mic or an XLR mic with an audio interface for better preamps. Set your sample rate to 48,000 Hz and bit depth to 24-bit for clarity and headroom. Avoid the internal laptop microphone entirely when capturing crisp keystrokes and mechanical detail. Confirm phantom power only when using condenser microphones that require it. Position the microphone strategically to capture the keyboard's attack and tone. Place the mic 3 to 6 inches from the keyboard and slightly off-axis to reduce mechanical thud. Angle the mic about 45 degrees toward the keycaps to emphasize crisp strikes and reduce palm noise. Set the preamp gain so peaks sit around -6 decibels to avoid clipping and preserve dynamics. Monitor levels with headphones and adjust microphone distance rather than increasing gain for the best signal quality. Choose recording software and create a new stereo or mono track for the keyboard. Record in WAV format at 48,000 Hz and 24-bit for lossless fidelity. Use a noise gate to remove background hiss between keystrokes and apply a gentle EQ high shelf to brighten the top end. Add light compression to control peaks while keeping transient snap. Use attack and release to preserve punch. Trim, normalize to -1 dB, and export as WAV or high bitrate MP3 for sharing and archiving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.